Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to add more pages in Affinity by Canva. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply open the Affinity application like so. Then once you open it, there are several methods in order to add more than one page in your project. The first one is to simply do that when creating the project from scratch. So let's say that I'm gonna click on new right here, and here you have this option. I'm gonna choose the A4, and here you have the multi-page option. Then you can add the number of pages right here. Now let's say that you do not have this option, or you do not know that you have this option, and you have already created your own project. So simply click on create document here, and now in order to add a new page, simply go to the vector mode, then go and click on this option right here, and click on one of these plus sign beside your paper one. So I'm gonna click on here right here. As you can see, I have now paper 2 and paper 3. You can add it below if you want to do so, and you are be able to navigate between them like so, and you can use the space in order to navigate between them like so. And the good thing is that you can simply click on layout, just right here, layout mode, and here you can navigate through all of your pages like so. They will be displayed on the left side, and you can simply click on add arthropod in order to add one more. Click on add arthropod, and here you have more than page, as you can see. And the good thing is that you can duplicate the page by simply clicking on this option, or delete the page by simply clicking on this option. After you select the page, you can simply delete it like so. And now I have shown you three main methods. The first method is to simply go to the vector and add it from this option right here and click on the plus sign. And the second method was to create it when you create your project. That was the first one at the beginning. And the third one is to simply go to the layout, then click on this add arthropod icon right here. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.